my top 5 favorite scenic routes. You don't always have to hit the dirt or the rocks to have a good time in your Jeep. Wait, what? Yeah, I said it. You can enjoy your Jeep on the Blacktop, especially on days like this. There are so many scenic, amazing routes here in America, and here are 5 of my favorites. The first is Utah Highway 95, from Blanding, Utah to Hanksville, Utah. Make sure your gas tank is full and bring lots of water. It's a long, desolate route through some of the most amazing scenery in the country. Number 2 is Old Route 66 up to Oatman, Arizona from Kingman. There are 191 turns, curves, and switchbacks in the Black Mountains. And once you reach Oatman, you can enjoy this small village full of fun shops and wild burros that wander the streets. Number 3 is Colorado Highway 92 outside of Delta, Colorado. This highway runs parallel to the Black Canyon National Park, and the views are absolutely amazing and breathtaking, with many hairpin turns and curves along the steep canyon rim. Number 4 is off Interstate 70 in Utah, Utah Highway 128 Scenic Byway towards Moab, Utah. But first, make a stop at Cisco, one of Utah's top ghost towns. The drive along this scenic byway is spectacular as you follow along the Colorado River. The monumental rock formations will take your breath away. Number 5 is Utah's Scariest Road. Okay, so this isn't actually Blacktop, but it isn't off-road either. It's a gravel road called a Moogie Dugaway. Probably one of the scariest roads I've ever been on, especially since my Jeep was on a trailer behind me. The road is called a Moogie Dugway because the term is used to describe a roadway carved from a hillside. The scenic byway stretch of Highway 261 in Utah is where the Blacktop turns into dirt road. This gravel road is a 3-mile-long switchback road carved right into the side of a mountain with 11% grade hairpin turns and no guardrails with sheer cliffs.